So, Ariman, so for example, in the first question, 3 by 10, 8 by 15, 7 by 20. So, what was the LCM of the denominators? 10, 15, and 20?
60.
60. So, you took the LCM. I think this is how
Yeah.
you would have done it. So, 10, 15, 20, the LCM is 60. And then you would have taken these terms 3 by 10,
I
8
just
by 15.
I did in my head because I know that it's 6.
No, it is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Uh, Depends upon your comfort. If you want to do it, you can do it. Otherwise, you can skip the step. That is absolutely not a problem. So then what I did was I took my fractions and I reduced all these three fractions. I reduced their denominators to 60 by multiplying and dividing by the relevant numbers. So it will be 18 by 60, 21 by 60, and 32 by 60. Is it correct?
I got 18 by 60, 28 by 60, and 21 by 60.
No. For 3 by 10, you'll have to reduce, multiply and divide by 6. So it will be 18 by 60. Do we agree to this number?
Yeah.
And after this, if I take 8 by 15, then I'll have to multiply and divide by 4 so that I have 32 by 60. Any doubt till here? Have you got 32 by 60?
Yeah.
Then I took the third number, 7 by 20. I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 3 so that my fraction is 21 by 60. Did you get this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So because all these three are positive, now my work is very simple because I just have to, add the numerators. And my final answer would be 73 by 60. Any doubt?
No.
Great. Then you took the second one. What was the LCM of the denominators?
It was 24.
Yeah, great. So I have done. Actually, the LCM would be 48.
I got 24.
It will be 48.
But 24
So
also comes.
no,
What
it
if
doesn't
it's.
come. No. 24 doesn't come in the table of 16. So 16, 32, 48.
Oh,
Remember, yesterday we had discussed you have to, one way of looking at the LCM is just have a table of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48. If I take the table of 16, it will be 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, and 16 threes are 48. So LCM is always a number which comes in the table of the respective number. Do you have any doubt?
no.
So the number that you are saying, what is the LCM that you said?
24.
Yeah. Now, about 24, 24 comes in the table of 8. It comes in the table of 24, of course, but it doesn't come in the table of 16 because
Yeah.
it's 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, and 16 threes are 48. So 48 is the lowest common multiple of these three numbers. Any doubt?
No.
Yeah. Now, after I have done this, what I do is I try to reduce these denominators to 48, and this is what I do. So this was my number 7 by 8. I made this as the equivalent fraction. This was the 17 by 24. I make this as the equivalent fraction. 9 by 16. I reduce 9 by 16 to 27 by 48. Why do I do this? Because I want 48 in the denominator of the three terms. Any doubt in there?
No.
And then I just have to add the three. Just add the numerators, and my answer would be 103 by 48. Any doubt in there?
No.
So in this fraction addition subtraction, this this formula that we are following, these steps that we follow, the LCM is the critical. Once you have taken the LCM, things are fine. So, what was the LCM of these four numbers?
I got 54.
54. Okay, let me check. Yeah, 54. Correct. 54 is the correct answer. Because now, again, if we discuss about 54, let us discuss about 54 a bit. So, 6 1s are 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 9s are 54. Have you understood?
Yeah.
Similarly, for 9, 9 6 are 54, 18 3s are 54, and 27 2s are 54. So, 54 is the first number, which is the lowest number, which comes in the table, which is common to the tables of these four numbers. Have you understood the concept of LCM now?
Yeah, I want to.
So once I have 54, then I try to reduce these four fractions to their equivalent fraction so that the denominator of the four fractions is 54. Any doubt?
No.
And then I just have to add the four fractions, the four equivalent fractions. My answer would be 152 by 54. But then what I see is that 2 is a common factor. So I take out the common factor by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. So the final answer is 76 by 27. Any doubt here?
No.
So
I got, but
yeah,
I got 2 4 by 2 4 by.
no, you might
I
have
got
done.
2 2 2 by 6. Wait, no, that.
There might be some mistake.
I got 2 2 by 6, but I did get 152 by 108.
You might have done some mistake. What you can do is actually you can send me a photograph once you are free. So I'll have
I
a
got
look.
I got 152 and 54, but then when I made it into the mixed fraction, I got 2 2 by 6.
Yeah, okay. See, this can be put as a mixed fraction as 27 twos are 54 and 27 threes are 51. 27, no, 27 twos are 54. So the final fraction in terms of mixed fraction would be 76 minus 50. Yeah, 22 by 27. Is this what you are saying?
No, that does not have any.
So if I reduce this,
You can't reduce.
is there a doubt?
No.
So you can leave this as your final answer, or you can make it into mixed fraction as your teacher suggests. But try not to leave the answer here because here it is obvious that there are few common factors which you can take out. Have you understood?
Yeah.
But this as an answer is okay. This is absolutely okay, no problem. Unless until your teacher wants your final answer to be, and she has told you in the class that she wants the answer to be in the mixed fraction. Any doubt?
No.
So, in addition and subtraction of the fractions, just step number one is take the LCM. Step number two is make the given fractions into equivalent fractions so that the denominator is equal to the LCM. And step number three is just addition and subtraction of the numerators, and you will get the final answer. Any doubt?
No.
Okay, great. So what we'll do is, what you can do now in the classes, you can do fifth first part, or maybe what you can do is actually we'll do some subtraction. The rest you can do as homework. So what I suggest is Yeah. What I suggested, do question number 8. Question number 8, first, second, third part. Can you do that?
Okay.
Great. Start. So, Ariman, what was the LCM of 8 and 12?
It was 24.
24. Great. So, in these type of questions, you understand that first the mixed fraction has to be converted into the improper fraction. So, I am given 5 1 by 8. It would be 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 1 is 41 by 8. So, I have written 41 by 8. And 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. 49 upon 12. You would have got this only, correct?
Yeah.
And I try to make the given fraction. This was the given fraction. These given fractions have to be converted into their equivalent form, where the denominator is the LCM of the denominator of the given fractions. So now I just have to 123 by 24 and 98 by 24. I just have to subtract these two fractions. And the answer would be 25 by 24, which can be written as 1 by 24. Is this the answer you have got?
Yeah, 1 I got 1 by 20.
No, it will be 1 by 24. Is this the answer you have got? 25 by 24?
I got 1 by 24. I did not make them equivalent mix. I mean improper fractions.
Okay.
It's not comparable. So I
Okay,
straight away
okay.
got 1 by 20.
Okay. But whatsoever method have you followed, is this the final answer or not?
Yeah, that is the final answer.
Great. Not an issue. So here also I'll make these this is the method I like better, because this avoids any correction in the end, because at times the fractions become negative and then it becomes difficult. So this is the method I like. What I do is, in the first step itself, I convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Is it okay? Have you understood this method?
Yeah.
And then I take the LCM of 6 and 10. The LCM is 30. I follow the same path, and the final answer, your final answer should be 2 7 by 15. Is it correct?
I got 316 by 30.
No, then there is some problem. This should be the final answer. You'll have to check it again.
Okay.
What about third?
613 by 24.
Here also, what you have to do is, the first number you have to write it as 12 by 1, and just take the LCM is 8. So just reduce the first number to its equivalent fraction, which is 86 by 8, 96 by 8. And then the final answer should be 5 3 by 8. 5 3 by 8. Is it correct?
I got extremely confused. I wrote 12, 1 upon 12, not 12.
Okay, but have you understood how this is done?
Yeah.
Have you understood this method?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what I'll suggest is, because this is a bit confusing, I'll send you this PDF. Can you see the PDF?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll send you the PDF. Try to do as many questions as you can. As many questions as you can. If you want to do all the 30 questions, it is okay. If you want to do 10 questions, it is okay. But try to do at least 10 to 15 questions from this PDF. Is it okay?